One day, my neighbor was given some things away and put them all outside on the road. Among all things was this little storage hutch. So I decided to take it, play with it, and turn it into something really cute. After sealing the glass in the door and removing the mirror from inside back wall, I decided to paint the whole thing, and I used this fusion mineral paint, which I really love. It's a high quality paint that doesn't need extra coating, and the colors are so beautiful. So here I'm testing 3 colors. The green tone is called Carriage House. The purple-pink tone is called Lavender Haze. And finally yellow, Prairie Sunset. And this is how they actually look, so you can see the color better. It's really gorgeous. So I decided to pick first 2, painting the back wall of the hutch with Lavender Haze, which looked really calm and gentle and very delicate. And depending on the light, it always looks different actually. The next step was to paint the frame and all the other parts with Carriage House. This paint is so easy to deal with, and it dries really fast. This green tone is so interesting because sometimes it would look like dark gray to me. It would change the color all the time, which I think is perfect because it gives so much space for creativity. Now, when the painting was done, it was time to clean the glass, and I must say, this was the hardest part of the project because every time it seemed to me that glass is finally clean, I would find some new spots. This hutch came with 2 inner shelves, and to decide which color fits better for the shelves, I painted each shelf with different color. And I think that green really looks the best. I loved every step of this project, but this is my most favorite, where I get to apply a transfer by IOD, Iron Orchid Designs. It's a company run by 2 sisters who create this really beautiful art that you can apply on such various surfaces like plastic, metal, wood. Their main theme is botanical, or insects, or birds. So you can choose from a big variety of different collections. And every season they release new types of collections. I think now they have something related to Christmas. Here I'm picking something that will fit my hutch. I definitely want to go with flowers because I think I'm gonna create a herbal botanical hutch where certain tinctures or little herbal powders can be stored.